My name is Max Wang. I'm the CFO of Mercy Connect. Well, Mercy Connect is an NDIS service provider. And in the disability support industry, the margin is really low. So we would like to find solutions such as FMClarity to improve our overall effectiveness and efficiencies when we deliver services, especially among different sites. FMClarity is able to support over 30 sites of Mercy Connect and enabled our 300 plus staff to be able to utilize the system to report any maintenance request through the system so that we can have a centralized team to manage all those requests. That has basically improved our effectiveness in any maintenance related matters, which is definitely supporting our bottom line and our margin. So we did a rough calculation. Basically, over the past few years, every request we can save some minutes in reporting and also in action back. We estimated around at least 1,500 human hours can be saved through utilizing FMClarity system, which is a big win to us. Through FMClarity systems, we are able to see reports in regards to the working orders and the statistics. It helps us to monitor the progress of our maintenance requests. We can also present such information to the key stakeholders within our organization, which basically keep everyone on the same page towards where things are up to. I think if you are an organization like us with multiple sites, I think you should consider a system such as FMClarity to support your asset maintenance needs. We found it's valuable to support us, and I hope it will be valuable to support you too.